So when I came here the first time in 77, here was beach. There was no trees, there was no fence, not electricity. We had to hand pump to plant the trees that you see now, that little bit bigger. So when we started the hospitality thing, because some people died, some people left after the tsunami, so we had 2 rooms. Right now we have 26 rooms. Right here, everything looks normal. This tree I planted 47 years ago, and it stays there for the time being. And swimming pool is still there. So this is the house I was living in 47 years ago. It's still there. And here is the gate. So that things change. After the gate, 1 year ago, there was under 10 meters of beach. Right now, we have 2 meters of beach. 2, not 110, 2. So the reason of this is not climate change, is the groins you see there. So they put this last year, and they have sand the other side, but they took the sand here. So this is a story that it goes on since maybe 14 years when they built the port in Pondicherry. So little by little, they put groins everywhere, and in May started to erode around 1.5 meters per day. So when it arrived very close, I had this idea of putting the cloth that they use for the lake in the Matrimandir. So the Matrimandir gave us the leftovers, and we started to put it like this. So it stopped a little bit the erosion. Since we did that, we had maybe 1 meter of erosion, but here we had trees and everything. They all went in the sea. You can steal some. So the limit of Srima, where this building that is in the sea, 1 meter before. So we lost all of this. We did first this cloth thing, plus we did some bags. And we are doing right now bags with jute bags. That's actually less polluting than those bags. So this banyan tree here actually protected a lot. The erosion is more far from the banyan tree because the roots of the banyan tree hold the land, so here it's like a little bit farther. So right now, the sea is coming from there, from the north. You can see the waves, they come this way. So this will bring sand. Before they took it out, and now it will come again. To put groins, it's a lot of money. It's a big business, and it's a greedy business. So the people who take the stones, who give the stone that cost nothing, they bring it in the sea, they dump it there, and then there is a lot of money. Each groin costs crores and crores. To put this, to me, has no sense. In my hometown, we had erosion, we put it parallel. We don't do this. So parallel, it doesn't spoil next door. So we'll see what they decide. They were talking about to make a wall. It's not a bad idea, but we see.